It's National Gardening Week 2020, and today I'm going to talk to you about the main reasons and physical and mental health reasons that you should start gardening right now. I'd just like to start by saying that this video is also in collaboration with the Espresso Mushroom Company, so make sure you go and check them out in the description on this YouTube video. So the first reason is for physical health, such as weight loss. So gardening burns about 330 calories for an hour of light gardening, which is like any other exercise really, and in gardening it also helps in a whole host of other ways, and you also get food out of it if you're a vegetable gardener, which is just amazing. And if you're trying to be healthier, gardening is a great way to start, because you can just potter away in your garden and you can burn calories without even knowing it. Whereas with something like running, you'll be running and you'll be out of breath, but with gardening, you'll hardly notice that you're actually exercising and burning calories. Gardening is a great way to get more vitamin D also in your life, because you're outside normally when you're gardening, unless you're on a small scale on a windowsill, but 9 times out of 10 you'll be out in the garden and outside, and you'll be getting lots of vitamin D from the sun's rays, especially in the summer when we're out in t-shirts and shorts, enjoying all of the warm summer, just like we've had recently, but it's only spring. So if in your household you're also trying to start being more healthy in these times, then gardening is a great way to encourage you to eat more healthily, because if you grow the vegetables, you're more likely to eat them, because you've seen them through the whole process of growing them, and you'll be able to feel like if you throw them away or didn't eat them, it would go to waste. So if you don't normally eat something, when you've grown it yourself, you'll really want to eat it yourself as well, because you want to see what the work of your labour is like. And gardening also can relieve stress and anxiety, because when you're outside you're really not having to think about much when you're gardening. It's quite an easy task to do, and you're just pottering away and you can just forget all of your worries in the world, which is why it's a great thing to do at the moment and during lockdown. And also, if you're a beginner watching this, make sure you check out the links in my description for some of my favourite books that will help you get started growing. So gardening also increases confidence, which also goes hand in hand with the fact that it helps you build a community and build more friends who have the same interests as you. And when you look back at my old videos on YouTube, way back, 2 years ago or over 2 years ago now, you'll see that I was a lot less confident in front of the camera, or just a lot less confident. And after 2 years of regularly gardening and making YouTube videos, I'm a lot more confident. So that's just showing how gardening can improve your confidence and improve just how you are as a person. And also, as part of this community building thing with gardening, it can increase your mood, because you have some like-minded people you can talk to, whether it be over the internet or in person. And if it's in person at the moment, make sure you're 2 meters away. But if it's over the internet, things like Facebook groups, there's so many Facebook groups now. If you're a beginner on Facebook, there's a beginners gardening chat group that just started, and there's also groups such as Friends of Hugh's Nursery, Friends of Liz Zorab, and there's a whole load more. Or if you want to start no-dig gardening, there's a really good one called No Dig Gardening Undug, and that I really enjoy looking on that group. So if these reasons have inspired you to start growing yourself, then you will also like to hear that it doesn't only help you build yourself and build your character, it also helps to save the environment. Because if you think about it, you're growing food on your doorstep, and that's almost 0 food miles, whereas normally for supermarkets, food's coming over in the planes and the trucks, and that's loads of fuel guzzling vehicles that are pumping gases out into the atmosphere that, if you grow your own, are really unnecessary. So finally now, make sure that you check out the Espresso Mushroom Company on Instagram, Facebook, and on their website, which will all be linked down below. And also make sure you check out the books that I've linked down below for beginners, which will really help you out get started. And lastly, I just say thank you for watching this video, and I hope this inspired you. Please like this video, let me know in the comments if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.